USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against yen. Before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video, you will find some links. It says join free Telegram channel. Go and join Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. Check out the brokers in the profile right here. Sign up with these brokers because I want you to trade with my signals in a separate account. So don't mix anything. Separate account for my signals and my signals only because I want you to maintain accuracy. Okay, so subscribe, like, check out the links. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. In weekly, we have started the uptrend. So uptrend, pullback, uptrend, new high. Coming back to the daily chart. In daily chart, we have crossed above the EMI. So officially in the USDJPY, we might be starting the uptrend already now. So this was the uptrend, then pullback, then going up again. What is our entry in 4 hour? Our entry yesterday was this candle. Okay, so this candle was the entry yesterday. Yesterday USDJPY video which I recorded yesterday, you can go and see. I told you enter long after the end of this candle and take your profits at 145.70. If you have listened to me, then you must have made 70 profits yesterday. If you did not listen to me, then no problem. So now here, this was the new high. We're gonna take a pullback. So pullback will be maybe around 50%. Okay, maybe 61%. So do use your fib levels from here till here. So use your fib levels in the round from here till here in the uptrend. Then wait for the pullback. After the pullback, wait for the blue candle and then take your profits 1:2 ratio. That's all I have for you in USDJPY. Look for longs after each pullback. So pullback, blue candle, enter long. And that's it for now. And I'll hopefully record videos on Sunday. So make sure you subscribe, like, join Telegram and sign with the brokers. I'll see you maybe on Sunday.